Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. I hope you're all doing well. Today I wanted to share with you two things. I wanted to share with you my Echo Park Club subscription kit for July, what I received, and I also wanted to share what I won from Christian's Crafty Adventures. I was on one of her lives the other night and she ran. It was so fun. She was doing like Christmas in July and she was making all sorts of cute things, and she did like this little surprise giveaway at the end, and she asked us who is called the Nazi or referred to as the Nazi on Grey's Anatomy. And I haven't watched Grey's Anatomy in a while, but I remember that it was Bailey. So it was Miranda Bailey. And so I like blurted it out really quick and she's like, you won. So I want to show you guys. And what I had won was these little donuts made out of her hot glue gun, and she sent me the mold for it, so I'm going to show it to you, and then I'm going to show you the Echo Park Club. But let me show you her beautiful card. Oh my goodness, this was the card that she sent with it, and it is so pretty. And you guys, look at her perfect writing. Look at her perfect writing. Oh my gosh. Anyway, love the card, so pretty. So let me show you the little mold. And she took all the little donuts and put them back in the mold, which I thought was so cute. So here's the mold. It's got all the little donuts in there, and they're made out of hot glue, different colors of hot glue. So, and it's fun because I can do the mold and play with it and, you know, try to make these myself. But like, she's got all different kinds of, you know, all different kinds of donuts in here with like different colors. Look at that one. That one's kind of like a Halloween one. That's fun. And let's look at this one. So just super fun. I thought that was fun that she did that at the end as a surprise for everybody. And I thought it was so cool that she sent me the mold too. But yeah, so I wanted to share that. So that was fun. And then here is my Echo Park Club kit. I love that it comes in a pizza box. I think that is so fun. So we're gonna go through that. So let's see, we've got some pieces of paper up on the top here. Let's see what they are. Bounce back bonus, get an additional 10% off your next order at Echo Park online store, and then join our card makers club. Okay, so there's those. And oh, so they're also saying here's what's available now. So they've got this really cute baby girl and baby boy kits. And then they've got Magical Birthday, which is really fun. Oh, I like that Magical Birthday pink one. I haven't seen that. I think I've seen the top one in the primary colors, but I have not seen this one. So that is really cute. And let's see. So I think this is the pool party collection, if I'm not mistaken. So it came with a washi tape. Really pretty floral. And then here's some pictures of some inspiration from the collection. So this is more of a summer collection. And then it's all fancy where you have to like, it's taped shut, so you have to open it up. That's a pretty gold sticker. Alrighty. Let's see what we got in here. I'm going to pull everything out and put it in front of us so we can see it better. And then we'll turn the camera around. Okay, so we got, let's look at the papers first, because then you can see like what goes with the papers. Let me open this up. This is such a super cute collection. I'm already seeing swimming pools and ice cream cones and lemons. So here is this is what's called the element stickers. These are really nice thick stickers. Look at the little ice cream shop up there. Summer vibes. This is so fun. It's weird because I've been like in a Christmas theme because of July and doing some Christmas projects, so it's like weird for me to I'm all into Christmas right now. It's weird for me to switch back to summer, but I want to switch back to summer because I want to feel that Christmas feeling when it's actually Christmas time again. So okay, we've got some super cute starfish paper, and then we've got these pretty stripes, and then we've got this floral paper, and then on the back it has some cutouts, which is super cute. Hello summer, summer vibes, I love you to the beach and back, summer adventures, summer's here, pool party, and hello summer. I have a die just like that. I think it's from Sizzix, but like it says summer and it's popsicles, just like that. And then there's this super cute polka dot paper and lemon paper. Then we have watermelon, and oh my gosh, look how cute these bathing suits are. Then we have these pretty leaves. I love the monstera leaves and the ferns and the palms. And then here we have a bunch of cutouts again. Then we have this one, which kind of reminds me of like when you're looking in a pool, when the water, like the water's moving. That's kind of cool, like the bottom of a pool. And then, oh, look at all these swimming pools. Those are so cute. Then we have these triangles and these adorable bathing suits with flip-flops and suns and watermelons and ice creams and shells. That's so cute. I love that paper. Then we have this striped paper, and we have another page with cutouts. Oh, I love the one with the surfboard on the left that says summertime is for watermelon, lemonade, sunshine, popsicles, seashells, pools. So much fun. That's cute. Then we have another tropical leaf page or paper. Oh my gosh, and these adorable pineapples with sunglasses. Those are so cute. Then we have the orange squiggly paper, and on the back we've got some super cute watermelons and pineapples and flamingos and sunglasses. Oh, look at this like pink, what is this, like gingham paper? I love that paper. That is so cute. And then we also have another set of cutouts. I like the one with the flip-flops at the top that says Days of Summer. That's cute. I also love this very simple mint striped paper. That's really pretty. And then on the back is that floral print. So there's all the papers that came in it. Then we have the pool party frames and tags. So here's what those look like on the back. Then we have a 6x6 paper pad, and let's see. It is double-sided. So it's all the papers that we just looked at, plus it looks like I saw some solids in there. So just all the papers that we just looked at, just on a smaller scale. So that's really nice. Then we have these super cute puffy stickers. I just love that little ice cream shop. It is so cute. And the swimming pool, oh my gosh, adorable. And then finally we have the chipboard accents. So we've got this cute summer. Oh my gosh, look how cute the scooter is. I love that. And it's got that basket of flowers on it, and I'm in love with that surfboard. I love those colors. And then we've got the bathing suit, and again we've got the ice cream shop. So cute. And look at the banner up at the top. So cute. I really love this collection. I'm really happy that I got this subscription. So yeah, that's it guys. Just wanted to share that with you. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.